Hello everyone, and welcome back. I just wanted to let everybody know that tomorrow morning I get on a flight and I'm flying down to Louisiana. I'm heading down there for a few days. I've got a bunch of people coming out to the house to do bids on finishing up the house, taping, plumbing, trim work, just a whole bunch of stuff we need paperwork for insurance and stuff. So anyway, we have not seen that house now for 13 months. In fact, 2 days ago I was looking at Google Maps and I put the little guy on the street in front of the house, and it was surprising. These are the pictures. I just took these off my computer that I saw, and this was 1 day before we left for Minnesota. And then somebody stopped by the house last week and just out on the road and took some pictures, and there's some vines that are growing on the house that need to be pulled down. The siding, I mean the climate down there, you've got to wash your siding and it's getting dirty, so I'm going to be pressure washing the house to get it cleaned up. So, like always, it's going to be a busy few days. Seems like everything I've been doing lately, it's been pretty busy. I was going to put the new tires on the boat this afternoon, but my dad has been out here staining boards for that barbecue area on the new back deck on the folks' cabin, and the boat's being used as a drying rack. When I'm down there, we'll be able to take a look at the high-low a year later and just take, get caught up on everything. I do not think I'm going to do one long video of the trip. I just got done editing the long video up at the tent, and prior to that, a week before that, I had a fairly long video at the farmhouse. I think I'm just going to keep the shorter videos, easier to edit, easier on the mind, and I'll have so much stuff going on. Doing a long one just won't be something I'll be able to do. It looks like for the weather down there, it's going to be mid-90s during the day and low to mid-70s at night. A little bit different than it's been up here lately. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for a few days in Louisiana. I will see you guys on the next video.